Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So guys, it's Friday and we're going home. Alright guys, so waiting on daddy, but wait, I know I look weird-ish. Anyways guys, as I said, it's Friday afternoon. I'm waiting on dad. He's gonna do something. The lighting in here kind of weird, I don't know why, but yeah. What else can you expect from a car? Lighting, like it now show the white good, like how, why? I have to check it out. So it's a bit better, but I don't know if it's dark or bright. Anyways, so when I get home, I know we have young adult fellowship house for the truck. What time we serve? What almighty God we serve? Angels bow before Him, heaven and earth adore Him. What almighty God we serve. The next day. Is it currently after 10? Yes it is. Am I just waking up? Yes I am. Am I mad about it? Nah. Good morning guys, welcome to another vlog. I hope you guys are doing great. I did start off the vlog yesterday, I think. I think I started off yesterday. So hey guys, happy Saturday. It is, I don't know what date it is, to be honest. I really don't know. I think it's about the 15th of January. I'm not sure, but hey guys. So today, I'm not sure what we're doing today. I need to like write a to-do list. I know I need to iron, and what else do I have to do? I have some the steam roster to fix. I'm not sure what else, so we'll be doing that. I also have my hair to wash, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna wash it today or tomorrow, one of those days. So yes guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Let's get into the rest of today's vlog. Alright guys, so we're going to get some breakfast. And then we don't know what else we're going to do for the day, but we're going to get some breakfast. So I've looked at the clothes I'm wearing for the 2 weeks, including church clothes. These 2 are church clothes, the rest are work clothes. So I'm gonna iron. We're gonna iron and get everything together. So yes. Alright guys, so it's like almost 4 o'clock right now. I have youth fellowship in a few. But before I go to youth fellowship, I got some orders for some drinks. Because I made this yesterday and everybody's crazy about my drinks. So I got some orders and I'm gonna make some. They're milkshakes. So I heard I got about 6 orders, like so much drinks to make. So I'm gonna make those in a sec, but I want to make sure that they're coming. So I'm gonna make sure I have to make sure first that they're coming so I can go and start making them. So yes, that's what I'm gonna do right now. Then go to fellowship, and not sure what we're gonna do after fellowship. So yes.
Downstairs, all around with Jesus, I'm upstairs, downstairs. Alright, so when you're done having drinks now and you're ready to go buy one last one and find out so your money done, what you have to say?
Your money done.
Money done.
What do you have to go so far?
You know what? Embarrass.
Oh.
Alright guys, so I came back from church and youth fellowship, and I look my clothes for church tomorrow, so this is what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. Yeah. And my sister's cute little bag. Isn't this adorbs? So yes, I'm gonna wear this with this, and I have my brown slippers on the floor as well. Alright guys, so as usual I forgot to end the vlog, so I'm ending it here. It is actually Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. I thought I just come from church and edited this vlog and realized I don't have a outro. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Comment something down below, guys. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below this emoji right here. Thanks so much for watching to the end. I really appreciate it. And guys, I am working on getting together video ideas and stuff like that, so I can have more videos of you guys. Right now I have like 3 days that I put down for videos, which is Sunday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Didn't upload on Friday, didn't upload on Wednesday, so I ended up uploading one on Monday, and then that was it. So I'm hoping to work on that so that I can have videos out for you guys. So yes, I might do about 3 or so videos today, depending on what I can do. So if I can, then you guys will be seeing all 3 videos for this week. So yes, you guys will already be getting this one, which is on Sunday. So yes, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.